Let's set up our AurInfer Discord AI chatbot on top GG. We'll first open the AurInfer bot we want to configure. We will then navigate to the Discord integration settings page. Scroll down, and in here you have to click Configure. Now click the link, it opens top GG. You have to then go to your profile and go to the bot you want to link. I have already made one. If you haven't already, you have to first get it listed on. We clicked integrations and API, scroll down to token. Create a token, click both options, write anything, and done. Copy-paste this token into AurInfer and you're all set. PUBG, G is now linked. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to join our Discord.